Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Mercedes-Benz B Class B180d SE. It's a 2016 model and it comes with 41,000 miles on the clock, features the 1.5 litre diesel engine and manual transmission, and comes finished in the gorgeous Cosmos black metallic paintwork. Taking a look at your exterior features, it comes with the gorgeous 16-inch alloy wheels in that silver styling. You've also got electrically adjustable door mirrors with the integrated indicators behind. And at the rear of the vehicle you'll also find the reversing camera, helping you to manoeuvre a little bit easier. Into the boot you've got plenty of space available here, with it being nice and deep and easy to access. Underfloor storage, you've also got the privacy screen which is retractable up top. Into the rear seating in the centre you'll find your 12 volt as well as little bits of storage, and on the backs of the front seats are your folding tray tables. You've got the Artico leather upholstery giving it a luxurious look, and in the centre you've got the armrest with the pop-out cup holders, as well as ISOFIX mounting points on the outer seats. Making our way into the front, you've got the 4 electric window controls and the door mirror controls as well, automatic lights behind the steering wheel with your parking brake as well, and some gorgeous styling inside, including the manually adjustable front seating. On the left of the steering wheel you'll find controls for the digital cockpit screen, and on the right you have your volume as well as some hands-free call answering buttons. Taking a look at the cockpit itself, you can flick through various trip computer information as well as some other tabs as well, including your audio, telephone connectivity and the settings for it as well. Onto the main media system, starting off with your radio, you've got AM and FM wave bands offering local stations, so you've got some to choose from there. You've also got plenty of your own personal media inputs as well, including the CD player. You've also got a memory card reader, USB connectivity, and even Bluetooth audio for wireless streaming. It does also come with a phone connectivity as well, so you have got Bluetooth hands-free calling. As I said earlier, you can answer them via the steering wheel controls. Taking a look at your reversing camera here, you have a nice clear view as well as the parking guidelines to make it a little bit easier to manoeuvre into spaces, as well as the 180-degree view so you can see all angles clearly. Moving down from here, you've got the 3 vents which are nice and easy to adjust. Underneath that you'll find the keypad as well as some controls for the media system, CD player and volume. Underneath that your simple climate controls. You've also got a little bit of storage hidden away in front with a 12 volt. 6-speed manual gear stick, and just behind that you'll find controls for the system, as well as 2 cup holders and plenty of storage in the armrest with the 2 USB connections. For more information visit the Motormatch website or give us a call on 01244 311 404. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.